In this video, you'll learn how to get a refund on eBay. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to successfully request a refund for your purchases on the platform. Start by logging into your eBay account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the section labeled Purchase History. This section displays all the items you have recently bought. Look for the specific order related to the item you wish to return. Click on the item to open the detailed order page, which contains all relevant transaction information. It is essential to review this information to confirm the issue with the item before proceeding. On the order page, locate the option to return the item or request a refund. This option is typically found within the order details. Once you select it, eBay will prompt you to choose a reason for your refund request. Options may include reasons such as a damaged item or receiving the incorrect product. Be sure to provide clear and concise details about the issue to assist the seller in understanding your situation. In some cases, you may also be required to upload photos as evidence of the issue. After filling in all the necessary information, submit the request. This action will notify the seller about your refund request. After submitting, the seller will review your request and respond through eBay. It is important to monitor your notifications for any updates. If your request is approved, you may need to return the item before the refund is processed. The seller will provide instructions regarding the return process if required. Once the seller processes the refund, the payment will be returned through the original payment method you used for the purchase. Keep in mind that the processing time can vary based on the payment provider, so patience may be necessary during this period. To track the status of your refund, return to the order details page where you initially submitted your request. There you will find updates on the refund status and any actions that may be pending. This transparency helps ensure you are kept informed throughout the entire process, allowing you to know when to expect your funds back. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.